Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? I hope you guys are good. Excuse the fact that I look really wonky but I'm doing a three-part video. So a three-part video. So anyways, I wanted to just come to you guys to actually like review this new look all about brows. And yes, I'm going to be doing this tutorial or this review in my PJs because, like, don't ask. So anyways, if you guys recall, I talked about my sister sending me some products or some makeup things sometime this year. So this was one of the things that she sent to me inside the package, and I was just going through them and I saw this and I was like, okay. And what really caught my eye was the fact that it has a stencil in it. Like, I've never used a stencil, like an eyebrow stencil before, so that really caught my attention. I was like, okay, I'm gonna try this product out and see if it's bomb. So anyways, let me just read what is on the packaging. So it says new look all about brows. So it says it contains a brow powder, a brow wax, and an eyebrow pencil. So basically it doesn't really say so much. It just talks about like the ingredients in each of the products. Then it shows you a diagram of what is inside the packaging. This is the brow product, the pencil, and the stencil. Then it also shows you how to do your eyebrows with the product. So anyways, I'm excited to see what this product is going to be like. So the packaging is just this really cute, it comes in this cute slide through what word did I use now, holographic packaging, which is so cute. Just sliding it out. Then it just has the all about brows at the back. It kind of looks like a math set. I don't know if you guys use a mathematical set in like your secondary school or whatever, but it kind of feels like a math set the way the packaging is. Oh, okay. So sorry, I actually opened it before. So actually this is supposed to go on top of it because I was like playing with it before. I forgot to cover it back. So anyways, this is how it's supposed to be. I'm sorry. This is actually how it's supposed to be. So like I said, it just feels like a math set. If you guys used a math set in your secondary school, this is just kind of how it feels. So it has the all about brows in front, and yeah. So just popping it open, if my nails will agree. Okay, popping it open. So these are the products inside. These are the products. This is the pencil, this is the brow powder and wax, and then the stencil is right under. So let me just bring them out. Okay guys, so these are the stencils. Just open it up. So it contains about 1, 2, 3, 4 stencils inside. So with different eyebrow shapes. So we have this one, we have this one, we have this one, and then we have this one. I swear none of them are my like ideal brow shapes, but anyways, we're just gonna work with what we have. So let me just see. Let me choose which one. I don't know. Hold up, let me just choose which one I think would best suit my brows. So I think I'm going to go with this stencil right here because I don't really like my brows too thin, especially up here, and the way the brows are actually shaped, they're not like super thin. So this is, I think, the closest to what I can get. I'll still have to go back in and like, but just for video purposes, I'm just going to use this stencil to just show you guys how it works, and yeah, if I like it. So anyways, this is the brow pencil. Is there even a shade on it? I don't think. Okay, this is it says the brow define. So It has a spoolie to use and brush your brow hairs in place. Then basically you just twist up the pencil and yeah, just define your brows with it. So then we have the all about brows brow palette. So it says it contains a brow wax and a brow powder. Okay, so this is what it looks like. If you guys can see that. So this is the brow wax and this is the brow powder. The brow powder kind of looks like it has glitter inside. I don't know if you guys can see that. Which is okay. A brow powder that is shimmery. Okay, I'm kind of scared, but anyways. So I think it has a brush underneath. Let me see. Oh my gosh! I just scraped off a few of the powder. I don't know how to access the bottom part. Oh, this is cool. Like after doing some mathematics, I was able to open the bottom part. So it's kind of like a drawer. So it has like tweezers if you want to like pluck out any stray hair. It has tweezers. It has this like a brush you can use with the powder. Then it also has its own special spoolie too. So basically I think let me just see what the instructions say if you're supposed to use the brow definer and the brow palette together. So anyways, step 1, you place the stencil. Step 2, you use the brow powder. Step 3, pluck out. So I think basically you can use either one of these products. You can either use the brow define or you can use the brow palette, so any one of your choice. But anyways, for today I'm just going to use all three just because I'm feeling very adventurous. So anyways, let me just come a little closer and yeah, we can just do one brow on camera. Okay guys, so I have my stencil here, just taking the spoolie, I'm just going to brush my brow hairs just to give them some definition. And now I'm just going to take the brow define by New Look, and yeah, so I'm going to place this. Oh my gosh, this is so hard. How are my brows? Okay, so I'm going to place the stencil. I think you're supposed to press it against your skin. Oh Jesus, this is like so. Okay.
Girl say my one in me grinding, I don't think so. Any man that me looking at, they think so. Girl your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad man a boss in a the thing so. Girl for me yard, see me for me yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me feel.
Nah. Guys, this is whack, man. This is like, this stencil is not working for me at all. Like it's not giving me any form of, like it's not giving me any form of control to do my brows. It's just like it's so restricting. So anyways, I'm going to scrap that stencil, guys. Like, but basically if you don't know how to do your brows, it's just quite simple. Just to place it on and just kind of tracing inside with whatever brow product you have. If it's a brow pencil, brow powder, so basically that's what you just trace inside, and it should give you somewhat of a definition, but in this case, nah. So anyways, I'm taking the brow define. I'm just going to basically kind of, like, I'm so used to doing my brows, like, and I'm just going to blend.
Standard.
first thing I'll say about this brow pencil or this brow define that I like, it's very creamy. Like it just glides on your brows like super well, which is amazing. And I like the fact that it has this spoolie at the end, so you don't have to like pack a spoolie. It's just like a ready to go eyebrow kit. Like no matter what, you're good to go. So I'm done with the brow define. I have basically filled up all my brows, so I'm just going to go into the brow palette now. So I'm going to just take I don't know if you're supposed to put the brow wax first or second, dear Lord. Anyways, I'm just going to take the eyebrow wax here with the brush that came with it. Okay, so I'm just going to kind of brush the wax on my brows. I think it's basically supposed to like act like to keep your brow hairs in place so they don't like move up and down. I'm just going to brush the hairs in place. Okay, not bad. Then I'm going to try this powder. Going back into that same brush, I'm just going to dip into the shimmery powder. I wonder if it's going to be shimmery. I think that's the powder is supposed to like set the brow wax. So okay, not bad. So guys, let me just quickly like clean up the brows, then I'll come back and show you what it's like. Then I'm going to try and use just these two on just this eyebrow alone. Like I'm not going to add the pencil. Like this one I added the brow define, but I'm going to try the brow palette just on this eyebrow. So I'm just going to come back, then I'll show you guys what I think or the difference between the two. So I'll be right back, guys. Okay guys, so I am back. I've cleaned off my eyebrows and yeah, so let me just come a bit closer. So coming a bit closer, this is the brow that I did and showed you guys, where I used the three products together: the brow define, the wax, and the brow powder. So this is what the eyebrow looks like once it's cleaned up. It's very, I like it. It's like nice and dark, just the way I like my brows. It's like not too dark, but it's nice and dark. So I think this is actually bomb. Like this is nice. Then this is, I told you guys I was going to use the just the brow palette alone, using the wax and the brow powder just alone. So that's what I did on this other eyebrow. So it's kind of like, it's lighter, it's more what's the word, more natural looking, more subtle. And I was kind of scared when I saw the powder being shimmery, but it doesn't, it's a bit shiny, but it's not like there are chunks of glitter or there's something glittery inside. So it has a bit of shine, but it's not like out there. It's not like bam, gang. So yeah, so if you're going for like something more natural, nothing too heavy on the brows, this would be the best option, just using only the brow palette just on this eye, the wax and the powder. But if you're going for something like bold and so I suggest you use all three together for something bold. You can use just this alone, but I don't think it would, the product might not last as long as when you add the wax on it. I'm sure the wax is supposed to like keep your hairs in place and also the products in place. So if you want a bold and like out there brow, using these three products together it's going to give you this. But if you want something more natural looking, soft, and nothing too harsh, then using this alone would give you this. So guys, this is my review. I'm going to put the pricing up here for you guys. I'm going to put the pricing of this product up here for you guys. So if you guys are interested in getting it, I don't know if it's in the US, but it's definitely in the UK. So if you're somebody watching me from the UK, you can get this all about brow product. Even if you don't have so much time to apply it, I think it's quite easy. The application is just quite easy, and for the fact that they provided stencils, this is like a very good option for people who are like beginners or whose hands are not that strong when it comes to like doing brows all by themselves. The fact that they come with different stencils, it comes with 4 different stencils. So depending on your choice, you can pick any one that suits your face shape and your face shape. So depending on the one you like, you can pick it and get to defining your eyebrows, which is like very good for beginners. So guys, this is my review of the New Look All About Brows palette. I will put the link down below if you're interested in getting it, or I'm sure you can go to your like local beauty supply store in the UK and get it, I guess. But anyways, I'm gonna find a link on the internet and put the link down below just in case you're interested in getting this brow product. Anyways guys, this is my tutorial for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and join the family. Let's get this channel growing. Anyways guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Adios. Mwah.